In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Fig file to Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a local .fig design file into your Figma workspace without any confusion. First, make sure you're signed into Figma and on the Home or Drafts view where your files are listed. You'll see controls along the top of the screen. Look toward the upper right corner for the Import option. This is the button you'll use to bring a file from your computer into Figma as a new draft. It's a simple action, but it's important to be on the Home or Drafts view so the import lands exactly where you expect. Next, click Import from Computer. This opens your system's file picker so you can choose a file stored locally. Figma supports .fig files for full document imports, which preserve pages, frames, components, and most document settings. If you don't see your file right away, check the folder location and make sure the file has the .fig extension and isn't inside a compressed archive. If you recently downloaded it, it may be in your Downloads folder. Now select the file you want to import. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct version, especially if you've exported or received multiple revisions. Larger files, or files with many components and images, may take a little longer to process after selection, so don't worry if there's a brief delay. Keeping your file names clear and versioned helps here, so you can quickly identify the right one. Once your file is selected, click Done. Figma will upload and process the file, then open it in a new tab. You should see the imported pages on the left, your layers and components intact, and the canvas displaying just as it did when the file was exported. If Figma detects any missing fonts, you'll see a notification with options to resolve them. The imported file is saved in your drafts by default, so you can rename it, organize it into a project, or share it with your team when you're ready. That's the entire import flow. Open Figma and locate the import control, choose Import from Computer, select your .fig file, and click Done to finish. If something doesn't import as expected, double-check your internet connection, confirm the file is a valid .fig export, and try again. You can also close other heavy apps to speed up large imports. With this process, you'll quickly migrate designs, handoffs, or templates into your Figma space and get straight to editing and collaboration.